my lovelies, and welcome to my channel. This is Liane from Resin Shine Creations, and I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I will be creating green triangle resin coasters. So here are the colors that I will be using. One it is a pigment and one is a mica powder, and also I'll be using gold leaf and these extra fine gold glitter. So here I am starting by putting my gold leaf in a separate cup, and I will be adding a bit of resin to submerge it in, and after mix it up so I break it up. And this gold leaf is gonna be my center. And after that's done, I'm having here another 2 cups where I'm putting some resin in, and these gonna be for my green paste and green mica powder. So this is the lovely forest green paste, and you don't need to put a lot in because it's opaque, so it means that it's very saturated, and yeah, really you don't need to put a lot in. So here I mix it well, and then I'm adding my green mica powder from Just For You Online UK. This is the first time I'm using this green color, but usually all the mica powders are excellent quality from their company and they mix in very well. And this time I decided to add a little tiny bit of this fine gold glitter to my transparent, just to give a little different look than usual. And really, trust me, you don't need to put a lot. Just a little pinch goes a long way. So you can see that this transparent is a bit shiny. And now is the fun part. It's the time of pouring, and I'm starting with my dark green, and I go around the edge as neatly as I can. So I will put some music in background and let you enjoy this process, and I will come back to you very shortly. And there you have it. All my resin has been used up. And now I take my blowtorch and go over and pop the bubbles. However, this resin is quite on a liquid side, so doesn't make that much bubbles. And this is a time lapse of about 20 minutes. So this is the next day and they are ready to be demolded. And let's have a look which side will be better. And yes, it's nothing special this time, but you know, I do like them and I think they are decent looking coasters. And as the resin is on the liquid side, it didn't generate so many bubbles on the edges. So there are pluses and minuses with these low viscosity resins. So anyways, I will finish them up by painting edges and I will show you the end results. And here they are, all painted and finished. And honestly, in this light, I like them a lot. Even the green color is one of my favorites, so yeah, they look pretty decent to me. I hope you found this video useful and entertaining. Please let me know by leaving comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!